Installation of condition monitoring equipment at 2 hydroelectric power plants located 3 hours from Bogotá. Difficult access forced the maintenance team to take vibration measurements only every 3 months, an insufficient frequency for timely detection of mechanical asset deterioration. An autonomous system capable of continuous measurement and data transmission without on-site presence was needed. Erbessd Instruments Phantom was the perfect solution. Power Plant 1 operates with 3 Pelton-type turbines and Power Plant 2 with 3 Francis-type turbines. 4 triaxial wireless Phantom sensors were installed on each machine, positioned at critical points on the generator and turbine. Each plant was equipped with 12 sensors and a central gateway, continuously transmitting RMS values, spectra, and waveforms to the analysis platform. As part of the project, severity parameters were characterized in accordance with the ISO 10816-5 standard, which applies to hydraulic units. This enabled the definition of asset-specific alarm thresholds and the classification of vibration status into zones A, B, C, and D, as established by the standard. Today, both machines are monitored in real time from Bogotá, and trends, waveforms, and FFT spectra are analyzed to identify faults in advance. Site visits are scheduled based on the actual behavior of the assets, rather than on a calendar. The approach shifted from reactive maintenance to condition-based maintenance.